The Finance Minister Arun Jaitley announced a number of measures this week to try and tame inflation, which has been one of the NDA government's biggest challenges since it took charge. Here's an analysis of whether some of these moves are enough to address the root causes of this virtually persistent problem.
With regard to the 4-5 commodities, where some increase has been noticed, these steps include advising the states where we have seen tendency of hoarding, particularly in anticipation of the fact that you may have a weak monsoon. So those states are being advised to crack down on the hoarders. Additionally, the restriction that certain items can only be traded through the APMCs, states are being advised to delist fruits and vegetables from the APMC list.
Just days after this statement from the Finance Minister, the Delhi government has sprung into action. In an effort to insulate the common man from the inflation spiral, farmers can now only supply fruits and vegetables directly in the open market against the current practice of selling them through agriculture produce marketing committees or the APMCs, a move that has sparked off a debate questioning its efficacy.
देखिए, किसी भी चीज़ को डीलिस्ट करने से कोई भी महंगाई कम नहीं होगी। इसमें सिर्फ 1% जो मार्केट फीस दिल्ली में ली जाती है, डीलिस्ट करने से ये होगा कि मार्केट फीस 1% नहीं ली जाएगी।
While on the bright side, delisting fruits and vegetables which are perishable in nature, a new line of supply chain can be created which will ensure quicker supply of these products to consumers. The farmer has control over the quality and quantity that he would like to sell. Though the purpose of APMC Act is to protect farmers from the exploitation of intermediaries and traders, but farmers are unaware of markets or prices and often find themselves being dictated terms. Also, the issue of storage and transportation of perishable produce proves as a hurdle for the farmers. In addition, the licensing of traders leads to monopoly and provides little help to farmers in direct and free marketing. Delisting fruits and vegetables, especially from Delhi, was overdue for the last 10 years, but what remains to be seen is that will this move have the desired impact of reining in inflation without disturbing the core mechanism? Bureau Report, Headlines Today.